Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product, but let's go and get right into this. So this is for like your drainage on your downspout, like on the side of your roof. I'll show you right now. I want to show you how well it was packaged because they packaged this really well. I have already opened it because it was too cute not to look at. Look how well, and then it was also wrapped with paper in the inside. Let me go ahead and show you a close-up on what it looks like before I install it. You see how stinking cute this is? I have one that actually goes onto my cement, which is why I wanted this to help the water go out, but then looks super cute because it does hit the side. That is just the cutest little thing. They do have different ones that you can choose from. I got the one with the frog. I think they have like a turtle one that was really cute as well. I honestly wish I could have them all. And then you're just gonna put it in. It is like made out of like a ceramic, like glass. Super cute. But let's go ahead and see what it looks like installed. So as you can see, that's what it's gonna look like. Super duper cute. And so when it rains, the water's gonna flow out like that. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.